Welcome to CamClo3D, the fastest way to visualize your designs without a photo shoot. Today, we'll see how to transform your simple curtain fabric into stunning visuals ready for e-commerce. Once you log in, you'll receive 10 free credits to try out our software. Let's move on to the process. In order to visualize a curtain, start by uploading your design image. You can crop, rotate, or flip it to match your preference and click on Apply and Save. Next, instantly see your design applied to multiple lifestyle templates from our collection. Choose from a wide range of scenes and make real-time adjustments to shadows, lighting, brightness, contrast, and even the scale of your design, so it looks exactly the way you imagined. Want an entire catalog at once? Just check our Generate Multiple Templates box, select as many images as you like, and click Finalize. Whether you download 1 image or 10, you'll be charged just 1 credit for the whole set. Here's the stunning catalog we created with CamClo3D. Bring your curtain designs to life. Visit camclo3d.com and start visualizing today.